everyone, and welcome back to Rafi Memorial English School's online classes. Today we will do our second last chapter of your syllabus. This one is the second last poem of your syllabus. Name of the poem is The Tale of Custard the Dragon. This is what? This is tale, not tail. Okay, remember this. The tale means story, long story. The tale of Custard the Dragon. Custard means what? Custard is nothing. Custard is just a name. This is what? Dragon. Okay. Dragon was an ancient animal, you can say. The Tale of Custard the Dragon. This is the name of the poem, and this is one of the longest poem of your syllabus. Let's read it before you read. This poem is written in the style of ballad. Okay. This poem is written in the style of ballad. Now the question is, what is ballad? A long song or poem that tells a story. Ballad is what? A long song or poem that tells a story is called ballad, and the Tale of Custard the Dragon is a ballad. Okay, a song or poem that tells a story. You must be familiar with ballads that narrate tales of courage or heroism. Okay, we have so many ballads, and we have also went through a ballad in class 9th also. Okay, this poem is a humorous ballad close to parody. Okay, humorous means what? Humorous means funny. Yani this poem is a funny poem, funny ballad close to a parody. Parody means what? A piece of writing in a funny way. Okay, it means it is a funny poem, you can say. Okay, read it aloud, paying attention to the rhyme. We have to read this poem loudly and have to pay attention on the rhyme of it. Okay, now move to the first paragraph of the poem. Belinda. Who is Belinda here? Belinda is a girl. Okay, Belinda lived in a little white house. Easy line. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten. Kitten means what? You can say small cat, or a cat's baby is called kitten. Baby cat is called kitten. Okay, with a little black kitten and a little gray mouse. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and little gray mouse. Okay, and a little yellow dog. The color of the dog is yellow, very unique. And a little red wagon. Wagon means what? Wagon means buggy or carriage. Okay, and a really truly little pet dragon. And in that white house, Belinda have what? A black kitten, grey mouse, yellow dog, red wagon, and a really truly little pet dragon. This really truly means really and truly. And over here, really truly is written just to provoke us, just to make the beauty of the line, just to enhance the beauty of the line. Okay, now move to the next paragraph. It means in the first paragraph we only have the introduction, that there is a girl named Belinda who have a kitten and grey mouse, yellow dog, little red wagon, and a dragon also. Okay, now to the next paragraph. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. This kitten's name was Ink. Okay, and little grey mouse, she called him Blink, and this grey mouse's name is Blink. Okay, and little yellow dog was sharp as mustard, and the yellow dog's name is Mustard. But the dragon was a coward. Coward means what? Weakling. A person who is afraid of everything is called coward. Okay, but the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. Okay, in the first paragraph we have seen that Belinda have some pets, and in the second paragraph we have seen the name of those pets. Okay, very easy lines, you can say. Now move to the third paragraph. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. The dragon had a big sharp teeth and spikes. Spikes means what? Pointed. If you have pointed something, if you have something which have sharp point, you can say it is spikes. Actually we have spike haircut also, okay, pointed to the sky, and spikes on top of him, okay, and scales underneath. Scales means what? Thin bony plates protecting the skin of fish. As you have seen the skin of fish scales, you must have seen on the body of fish a little protective layer, hard protective layer, it is called scales, okay, and spikes on the top of him and scales underneath, okay. Mouth like fireplace, and the dragon's mouth is like fireplace. Chimney for nose, and from its nose always smoke is coming out, it means like a chimney, okay. And Rulio Trilio daggers on his toes. Dagger means what? Dagger means a sharp knife, and his toes are really truly like a dagger, like a sharp knife, okay. Now to the next stanza. Belinda was as brave. Belinda was a brave girl as a barrel full of beers. A barrel full of beers is a phrase, and it means a person without fear. Belinda was as brave, a person without fear. And Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. It means Ink and Blink, it means dog, sorry, it means cat and mouse. They are as brave that they can chase down lions also. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage, and the mustard dog, he was as brave as a tiger in anger. Rage means what? Rage means anger, okay. But Custard cried, but the Custard the dragon always cried for a nice safe cage. It shows that Custard the dragon is very weakling, very coward, okay. Now move to the next paragraph. Belinda tickled him. Tickled means what? Tickled means teasing. Here tease. Tickled means tease, okay. Belinda teased him, make fun of. Belinda tickled him or teased him. She tickled him unmercifully. Belinda always tickled her dragon unmercifully, okay. Ink, Blink and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. Percival means what? A knight of King Arthur's court, means there was a person who was working in King Arthur's court, and he was a very coward person, okay. And they were unmercifully tickled dragon also, okay. Belinda tickled him, she tickled him unmercifully. Ink, Blink and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. They have given him the name of Percival because Percival was very coward like the dragon, okay. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon, and always they sat in that wagon and laughs at the really truly cowardly dragon. They always laugh at the really truly and cowardly dragon, okay. Now move to the next paragraph. Belinda giggled. Giggled means what? Laugh. Belinda giggled means Belinda laughed till she shook the house. Belinda laughed as much as that house starts shake. And Blink said weak. Weak means what? Weak is a sound, okay, sound of a mouse, you can say. And Blink said weak, which is giggling of a mouse, which is laughing of a mouse. Wick is what? Wick is laughing of a mouse, okay. Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age, and Ink and Mustard rudely asked the age of dragon. When Custard cried for a nice safe cage, whenever Custard cried and asked Belinda for a nice safe cage, Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age, okay. Now move to the next paragraph. Suddenly, all of a sudden, they heard a nasty sound. Nasty means what? Nasty means unpleasant sound, bad or unpleasant sound. And Mustard growled. Growled means what? Bark. Mustard barked. And they looked around. And they all looked here and there. Meouch! This is the cry of Ink, the cat. And oh, cried Belinda. And Belinda also cried oh. For means what? For means because over here. Because, okay? Because there was a pirate. What is the meaning of pirate? A person who robs ship. A person who do robbery in sea is called a pirate, okay? For there was a pirate. For means what? For means because over here. Because pirate climbing in the window. They all were shouting and crying because there was a pirate climbing the window. Window means what? Window. It is just rhyming word. To make a proper rhyming, the author is using window in the place of window. Okay. Now move to the next paragraph. Now the pirate is coming. Pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right. This one is one of the most important paragraph of this chapter. Okay. Pistol in his right, left hand, pistol in his right. That pirate have pistol in his left hand and a pistol in his right hand. It means he have pistols in his both hands, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright. Cutlass means what? Cutlass means a short sword, and he also have a short sword in his teeth. Okay. His beard was black. One leg was wood. His beard was black and his one leg was wood, not actual leg. It was clear, and it is very much clear that the pirate meant no good. The pirate wanted to do no good of Belinda and everyone. Okay. Now come to the next paragraph. Belinda paled and she cried, help, help. Paled means what? Paled means turned yellow, become afraid. Belinda turned yellow and she cried, help, help. But Mustard fled. Fled means what? Fled means here run. But Mustard ran with the terrified yelp. Yelp means what? Cry. But Mustard ran from there with a terrified cry. Ink trickled down to the bottom of the household, and the ink just trickled. Trickle means what? Trickle here means he just went from there and went to the household, bottom of the household. Okay. And little mouse blink strategically mouse hold, and the mouse strategically means what? Plant. And the mouse with full planning went to the mouse hole. It means hole. Okay. Where mouse lives, you can say mouse house. Okay. Mouse's house. But up jumped Custard. When everyone ran with the fear of pirate, then the Custard the dragon jumped and came in between Belinda and the pirate. Snorting. Snorting means what? Snorting means making angry sound. The Custard the dragon was making angry sound. Clashed his tails like arrows in dungeon. Dungeon means what? Underground prison. He was just making his tail to make a sound like a prisoner making a sound in underground. Okay. With a clatter and a clank and a jangling squirm. These are the sounds of hard object. Clatter, clank and jingling swim. The tail of that Custard the dragon making a hard object to make a sound. Okay. Making a sound of hard object. He went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. What is robin? Robin is a bird, a blue bird. And a robin bird hunts its worm. Similarly, the dragon started fighting or started jumping on pirate. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon, and the pirate was gaped means what? Gaped means looked with wide open mouth. The pirate was looking with wide open mouth at Belinda's dragon and gulped some grog. What is grog? Grog is a drink, and gulping is what? Gulping is taking something in of your mouth. Okay. And gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. Flagon means what? Flagon means a silver container. From a silver container, the pirate gulped some grog. Okay, gulped. Come. He fired 2 bullets. The pirate started firing bullets, and he fired 2 bullets, but they did not hit whom? To the dragon. The bullet did not hit the dragon, and Custard gobbled every bit. Gobbled means what? Gobbled means swallowed. Okay, and the Custard swallowed whole of pirate in one bite. Okay, now move to the next paragraph. It will be the very interesting paragraph. Belinda embraced him. Mustard licked him. When the dragon totally swallowed the pirate, then Belinda came. Belinda embraced. Embrace means what? To hug. Belinda hugged the dragon. Mustard licked him. Licked means what? Touching with the tongue is called licking. Okay. No one mourned. Mourned means what? Mourned means cry. No one cried for his pirate victim. No one is cried for pirate's death. Ink and blink in glee did Gyret. And ink and blink in glee. Glee means what? Glee means happiness. Gyret means what? Danced. Ink and blink danced in happiness around the dragon that ate the pirate. Around the Belinda's dragon. Why? Because the dragon ate the pirate whole. Okay. Next paragraph. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. But after some time the dog Mustard spoke. He said, I had have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. Flustered means what? Confused. Now the dog is saying, I would have been twice as brave if hadn't been flustered. Flustered means what? Confused. If the dog is not confused, then he must have been twice as brave as Custard the dragon. Okay. And up spoke Ink, and now Ink is speaking to Blink. We would have been 3 times as brave. That we would have been 3 times brave, we think. And Custard said, I quite agree. Now Ink, Blink, and everyone is saying that we must have been 2 times brave, 3 times brave. Okay. And Custard said, I quite agree. That he is agree that everybody is braver than me. He is accepting that everyone is brave. Now the dragon is accepting also that everyone is brave. Okay, now come to the last paragraph. Belinda still lives in her, not second last paragraph. Belinda still lives in her little white house with a little black kitten and little grey mouse. Belinda is still living in that house with her kitten and grey mouse and little yellow dog, and with the dog and little red wagon, and wagon is also there, and her realio trulio little pet dragon, and the pet dragon is also living with Belinda. Okay, Belinda is as brave as barrel full of beers, and Belinda is very brave. And Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs, and still now Ink and Blink chases the lion down the stairs. Okay, Mustard is as brave as a tiger in rage, but Custard keeps crying for a nice, safe cage. This is the repetition of the starting paragraphs. Okay, that's it for the poem. Thank you.